Hello everyone and welcome to part 2 of the hand lettering series. In part 1 I talked about the basics of hand lettering and hand lettering styles you can use. I will link that video down below. Today we are designing a hand lettering artwork. We are going to talk about composition, hierarchy and how to combine different styles of hand lettering. This small video series is sponsored by Skillshare. They are an online learning community with more than 27,000 video classes. They have classes in creativity, business, technology and lifestyle. You can sign up for free with the link in the description box and you get a 2-month free subscription to try Skillshare. After that, Skillshare is $10 a month. I have been using Skillshare for a couple of months now and I use it mainly to improve my creative skills, to learn about layout, illustration and hand lettering and everything you see in my bullet journal. But I also use it to learn about business and improving my YouTube channel. So if there is something you want to learn or improve your skill, go ahead and check out Skillshare. So now let's get started with part 2 of the mini-series. First we need a quote or line of text you are going to hand letter. To start off easy, I recommend starting small with not more than 6 words. The first thing you're going to do is just to write out the sentence like you normally would. Nothing fancy, just your plain handwriting. So let's take a look at this. Which words are most important and you want to stand out, and which words are kind of insignificant? Short words like the, is, and, or, that are not very important words to the sentence. Number the words by hierarchy and start with the most important ones. We are going to start out with making a lot of sketches and giving them more details along the way. Our first simple sketches are called thumbnails. They are smaller sketches that aren't very detailed. Start with choosing your canvas size or try some different sizes. Once you have your canvas, we are going to take a look at the layout. We are going to start with the most important words and draw out a block for it inside the canvas. You want to make them stand out, so make them big. Of course, we can keep the block simple like this, but you can give the block all different kind of shapes. Write it on an angle, in an arch, try and see what works. Keep adding blocks for all your words and try different varieties in size, shape and placing. So while I don't want to get into decorating that much yet, but if you want to try some bigger decorations like banners or an illustration, do take them into account while placing the words. To keep your layout from looking cluttered or crowded, balance is important. Give your shapes the room they need. Don't move too close to the edge of the paper. When deciding the places, keep in mind that people will always read from top to bottom and from left to right. After you made all these thumbnails with varieties of layouts, choose the one you like most and draw it out bigger. Let's get started and fill those boxes with some actual hand lettering. In the last video I talked about different hand lettering styles. You can go online and find a lot more styles, but also take a look around you, titles of books and any other prints. Go ahead and try some for your words. Contrasting styles always look nice together, like a thin script with a bold all caps font or something tall with something wide. I wouldn't recommend styles that look very similar. Sometimes one hand lettering style is more than enough. So once you have your final sketch with the layout and hand lettering, you might want to add some decorations. Now you are ready to take your canvas and transfer the sketch. Finish your design with whatever media you like to use and hang it on your wall. In the end, you have to make a lot of sketches and try different possibilities to get to the best end result. All those amazing hand lettering designs probably weren't made in one try. It took me a while to figure that out. So please don't go straight to your canvas with your ink, but use your sketchbook, a pencil and an eraser until you have design that works. So that is already the end of the hand lettering mini-series for now. I hope that you liked it and learned something new. If you did, hit the like button and subscribe. You can share your work with me through Instagram if you'd like to. I would love to see it. Thanks to Skillshare for sponsoring this series and I will see you guys next time. Bye bye!